this is one of the new ideas. This is going to be like a big aerator, like you have in an aquarium. I'm going to fill it with river rock and some gypsum to try to blow up and do two things: aerate my pond and get the muck and filth, the sooty kind of mud, up, and hopefully to combine with the gypsum and solidify and actually give me more actual water in my pond. Well, that's the idea anyway. So far, I got a 4-inch piece of pipe from work. They were having to redo some plumbing, and they were going to throw it out. So I put a cap on one side, drilled a bunch of little holes in it, and then I'm going to force air into the other side. Now, we're not going to use those little pumps like we did with the burp pump. We're going to use a blower. Now, here's the blower. This is one that my dad had in his shed, so I'm going to use it. It already has a garden hose adapter, so I'm going to use a garden hose to supply air for the bubbler. Well, I put this in a barrel to keep it dry, so I'm going to take the bag of river rock and those bags of gypsum and put it in the bubbler. Well, I got on my porch because I realized I was too short to fill in the bags of river rock and gypsum into the bubbler where I was. All right, this is my attempt to put out the bubbler. Since I'm filming by myself today, you're not going to get action shots of me falling in the water because I can't risk my phone. Well, the bubbler's not where I wanted it, but it's bubbling. It fell just right off the boat. So I'm going to get in the boat and pull up the deal and see if I can get it out there. Hoping to have it kind of closer to the other pump. Alrighty. Let's see. They probably got a kink in our line. Well, missed out a little bit of comedy, but the bubbler's in there.